back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite recipes. Anyway, I want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys who support me on my birthday, who leaving those beautiful comments. I just thank God for you all. So it's a blessing. Today in the menu, I normally like to give you some fruit salad and some detoxing water because we are coming up into summer. And a lot of people will be doing a lot of running exercise and all different kind of things, and this recipe is just a unique recipe which you can do early morning routine, and also you can drink the water right straight through the day. So thank you so much guys for your support and for your time watching my video, and all these things where you've been doing. It's just a blessing, and I just pray every day step by step. Anyway, and today's recipe is fruit salad with detoxing water. Very good for weight loss and also detoxing of the body. Alright, so tune in with Chef Ricardo. Please share the love to someone. Tell your friend, your neighbor, your sister, or tell someone who you know. Go over to my website, or you can follow me on Instagram where I'm also post most of my recipes. Alright, so thank you for watching Chef Ricardo, and I will see you with more recipe again and again. Nice and lovely one. So basically I'm going to be doing 2 buckles of water first, 2 buckles of detoxing water. So what you want to do, you want to get either lemon or some lime, cut it down into half, get 2 slices, 2 beautiful slices of lemon, and squeeze it straight inside of the water just like this, and make it dissolve into the water. It's beautiful to drink. After 2 hours you can drink it. Very, very, very nice to drink. Let's put out a little bit of water of this one. Also we're going to put some cucumber inside. 1, guys, you can drink this water right straight through the day. It is amazing. And you can put fresh mint, but normally I put fresh mint. And you can put apple cider vinegar if you want, option. But that's gonna just keep it like this for the day. Put some more cucumber inside of that one. Lovely. So this is the water. Alright, let's drink this right straight through the day. It's beautiful. Right straight through the day, just drink this guys. It's amazing. Alright, so this is a beautiful water right here, and as I said, you can just drink it right straight through the day. This water, you can just simply refill back the bottle with some water. Alright, so for this water you need to drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. That's the best way to drink it. Alright guys, beautiful recipe for you to do at home. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cut up some fruit salad. Alright, now I got apple, I'm gonna be using a red apple. You know, Chef Ricardo loves his apple. As I said, these are just like fruits. When I bought a lot of fruits, a little bit of fruits left over in the kitchen, this is what you can do. One apple, and I got a pear. I love pear. Nice one. I got a plum. I did a video like this a few weeks ago, but I love to keep you guys up to date. You know what I mean? Now I have some red grape. I'm going to put it straight inside of it like this. It's just something different, you know what I mean, what you guys can do at home. I got some green grape. So if you're a person who love your grape, this coming in really handy for you. Just remove anyone which look a bit dodgy. So if you're at home and you know what I mean, you know you're gonna go to work the next day, this is something which I'm telling you, do this and bring it to work and share it with your co-workers. Now we got the mango. Alright, I don't know. Let's see if the mango is good. I mean, and I brought mango from the supermarket. I don't know exactly what you're buying, so you can put on the gloves if you like, or I mean, you can just repeel it in your hand if you like to. Especially if you know it's you gonna eat it, it doesn't matter. But this, you know, the reason why I know this mango is a beautiful mango. Yes, I can smell the scent of the mango. That means it's fantastic. It's a lovely mango. I love when mango smell that kind of way. Alright, look how juicy it is. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Nice one. Juicy mango. I can smell the scent of it. Really amazing. If you love mango, yeah, that's me. I love my mango. Nice one. Got a few strawberry, which doesn't make sense. I put these inside of it because it doesn't good. Now, as you can see, looking good. Up just like that. Yeah, this one could just put it into this, you know what I mean, and also bring it to work. So I'm gonna bring this beautiful fruit salad to work. Alright guys, look at it. Fantastic and amazing. Right, and that is just a little bit of leftover fruits in the kitchen at home. Oh my gosh, and look at that. So right now, that's your lunch for tomorrow. Alright guys, that's a lunch for another day, or whatever you want to make it. It's up to you. But as you can see, beautiful fruit salad, and yeah, amazing to know. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.